Welcome you students. Again I come up with the question from projection of straight line. A line AB 75 mm long has one of its end 60 mm in front of VP and 20 mm above HP, and the other end is 20 mm in front of VP and above HP. The top view length is 55 mm. Draw its projection. So this is our question. First of all, try to take all the given data. Okay, given datas. Take all the given data. So here line AB 75 mm. That means capital AB true length is given 75 mm. And what about the other end? One of its end 65 mm in front. Am I right? Not 65. It's a 60 mm in front of VP. So other end, I'm going to specify it as A, which is 60 mm in front of VP and 20 mm above HP. What about the another end? The another end is another end in the sense B end, which is 20 mm in front of VP and it is given above HP, but there is no exact dimension. So in order to have that dimension, instead of that, we are having one more data. That means the top view length is 55 mm. Top view length is given. Instead of one of the locus, we have the top view length. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here we have 5 data. So 5 data is more than enough to get the full diagram, right? So first start with the reference line. Just go for a horizontal line like this. Okay, so you have to draw a very good horizontal line. Go for a horizontal line which makes your reference line. It is X, Y, and above the reference line is VP and below the reference line it's HP as per the first angle projection. What is next? You have to concentrate on the locus of A. Okay. So 60 mm in front of VP. So take the measurement below the reference line HY 60 mm by keeping your scale 90 degree to the reference line. Both the end capture the points with the 60 mm measurement. Go for a line joining those points like this so that you will get a very good horizontal line. This is your locus of what? A. And 20 mm above HP. So from the reference line take 20 mm by keeping your scale 90 degree to the reference line. Make the point on both sides and go for a line joining those points. What happens? You will get a horizontal line which is the locus of what? A dash. Since it is a front view, it is a dash. Fine. Next we have the locus of A dash and locus of A. Now we shall place the point of one end in the space by drawing the projector. So first take A dash in the front view, just specify one of the end in the front view. So in the left extreme point, left extreme, I have considered the A dash and just drop a projector line 90 degree to the XY so that you get the intersection point which is the A. Okay, what is next? We have to follow to the next locus B. What about the B? It is 20 mm in front of VP. So from the reference line measure 20 mm, measure it both sides and go for a line just joining both the lines, something like this. So this becomes the locus of B, another end B. Okay, so fine. So next what we can do? All the 3 locus been taken to the profile. Next the remaining one is a top view length. Think about this top view length. If you look into the introduction part, that means line inclined to both HP and VP. If you see the basic terminology which I have given in the video, where it actually placed the top view length, where it is placed in the locus of A, am I right? Locus of A. Where the front view length is placed, it is placed in the locus of A dash. So here the top view length is given, so I am going to specify the top view length and the locus of A. From the A end I am going to measure 55 mm. So this would be your point, and I am going to place it as B1 dash. I am going to mark as B1 dash since it is a top view length, B1 dash. And see, this is the top view length. In general, how we will get this top view length? From the projection of true inclination in the front view, we get the top view length. So here we have the top view length. So just going in the reverse manner, that means from the B1 dash, I am going to take a extension line, thin line. Okay, this is a projector line, and now I don't know the locus of B dash, so I have taken it to the maximum, and now the true length is given 75 mm. Use it, just take it in your compass and keep at the A dash and go for a cut more in the line B1 dash. So this point will become B1 dash. If you draw a horizontal line passing through the B1, it becomes what? Locus of B dash. And if you connect A dash and B1 dash, this is your true length. This makes is of course true inclination in the front view, that means theta. What is next? We have found the true length in the front view and true inclination in the top view. We have the top view inclination, top view length as well, right? So we can concentrate on the true length inclination in the top view. So for which see, locus of B dash, A dash, B and A is there. But here see the locus of B is getting maximum and locus of B is a minimum, right? The I am talking about the dimension. It is coming between reference line and locus of A, we are getting the locus of B. In the general, we used to get the B dash as maximum. So the profile going to change. Let's see how it is going to trace, right? Fine. Now in order to take the true length in the top view, take the measurement of 75 mm in your compass and keep the point as A. This is one of the end in the top view. So another end is B, right? So search for the locus of B. So here it is present. So go for the cut mark with the measurement. So this makes the point B2, B2. So if you connect a line B2 and the A, it becomes your true length in the top view. Now it is easy. True inclination is there. If you get the projector extension line from the B2 and intersect with the locus of A dash, you get the what? Front view length. This point become B2 dash. Now see, all the data are available. Front view length is there and top view length is there, right? So now just go and change your position of those lines to the locus of B dash and locus of B. You can obtain the final front view and final top view. So for which take the compass, measure A dash to B2 dash and go for an arc, something like this. So your line flow goes like this. You will get the intersection point on the locus of B dash, which is your final other end. So if you connect a line and if you draw a dark line, this becomes your final front view. Okay. So what about the final top view? Yes, you have to take the measurement of top view length. Okay, and place A as center, measure it and just go for a cut mark to the locus of B. From the locus of A, you have to bring it to the locus of B, right? So here you must be careful. It is present inside of the reference line and locus of A, so you are bringing inside of it. So here just flow of this arc is something like this. Okay, so now you got the intersection point on the locus of B, it becomes yet another end which is B. If you connect a line of B and A, it becomes your final top view. Here it is the theta, true inclination in the front view. Here this makes the true inclination in the top view, so it is a pi. Here this is the apparent angle or else the inclination of final front view, it's alpha. And what about the top view? So here you can see the top view, which is if it is alpha, it is your beta. What is next? You have to provide all the dimensions. So about the locus, we have the measurements. So take the line, I'm just having like this. So fill the ends with the filled arrows. Above HP with 20 mm. So right above the line 20. And what about this? Which is 60, right? So write as 60 above the line. And what about the measurement for the locus of B, which is 20 mm. So which is a minimum value. So I'm taking inside of the measurement and write as 20. Always write above the line. Okay, 20. What is next? Top view length is there, that also should be specified. Here is the top view length. So take the dimension line like this and make a filled arrows on both ends and write the measurement 55. True length is there, right? So where we can capture, just I am going to prefer it on the front view. So take the extension line from both the ends, something like this, and go for a parallel line to the true length and capture the filled arrows and right above it as 75 mm. The dimension work is got over. What is next? Yes, we must show all the data about the theta, alpha, then pi, beta, final front view and final top view, right? So for which make a box at the bottom corner in the right and write about the true length, which is 75 mm, and if you measure the theta value, you get in degree, okay, and if you read the pi, you get in the degree. Same manner alpha, beta, you get it in the degree, and the final front view denoted as A to B. Sorry, A dash to B is a final front view, and final top view A to B, which we will get in the mm. Okay, display it. And the note, take the guidelines like this and write all dimensions are in mm. Also you can write about the scale, which is 1:1. I hope you understood when we are having the top view length instead of the on locus of B, how to work with it, and I hope you understood. Thank you so much.